Just finished my wash day and now I'm about to go straight into my wash and go. So much. But today I'm going to be using the Cecred Sealing Lotion with the mousse. I feel like this is going to be a really good combination. I've actually seen some people use it. Hopefully it works good in my hair. Per usual, you always want to make sure your hair is soaking wet when applying conditioner. Otherwise, I mean, what do you think it's going to do? Because it's definitely not going to penetrate your hair. Probably just gonna spit on top of it. Cause I literally saw somebody review Cecred. They're like, I don't know what y'all are saying. This does not work well in my hair at all. And then they came back probably like several months later. It was like, I apologize. I was wrong. I didn't apply enough water for the product to work. And I'm like, yeah. Brush off a little. These hairs falling, it's getting on my nerves. Okay. Then I'm going to apply the mousse. I am not applying more water when I apply the mousse because apparently, and I'm also, you know what, I actually have noticed this, but the less water when you apply mousse, the better it works. I'm using the Doux, most definitely, or Mousse Def. Yeah, Doux, Mousse Def. That names be messing me up. But that's what I'm using, and I'm just raking it through. Hopefully I applied enough to the top part, because the top part of my head be giving me the blues for real. Just gonna finger coil. I guess you can see better back here, huh? Okay, now I'll just be quiet and just go over my whole head. Takes all freaking day. Well, maybe it's taking me all day because I'm recording. I don't know. But it has literally taken me all day. And this is why in the fall I prefer a silk press. Honestly, sometimes I do prefer a silk press because it's easier to just wake up and go. Versus with natural hair or curly hair, whatever you want to call it, you always gotta wake up and do something to it. Something extra, I should say. Like literally depending on my hairstyle, depends on what time I'm waking up for work. at the under part of my head because that part do be dry. And the crown part of my head. It's like no matter how I apply and how much, that part right there is going to end up frizzy. So I gotta pay extra attention. Okay. Next. Oh no, I think I like this mousse with this. Stand the top part of my head. This part, these little pieces at the top get on my nerves. They never come out right. Maybe they will this time. Let me not be negative. I like this brush. I can't find my other one. Whoa, see? Just snagging me. I normally air dry. I don't diffuse my hair really. First of all, I feel like I don't even know how to do it correctly yet. And I live in Texas, so I just be walking outside and letting my hair air dry. But since it's late in the day now, because this process and took all day from me washing my hair to me doing the wash and go, I'm gonna go on a quick walk outside. It's like 6. It's probably not even hot enough for the sun to even dry my hair. So I'm still gonna go outside for a second. And depending on how it looks when I come back in, I'm probably still going to end up having to work some magic with the blow dryer. Because I don't like going to sleep with my hair wet. It be making you sniffle and all kinds of stuff. I feel like it be making you sick. I don't know. Anyways, this is the finished look. I wouldn't call this first day curls because like I said, my hair's not dry. This is just me finishing. So I'll be back. I said I wasn't gonna diffuse my hair, but that walk ain't really do much. So I'm just gonna blow dry it, maybe for at least 15 minutes. Cause yeah, I don't wanna go sleep with wet hair. Whoa. I need to fluff my hair out more. The bigger, the better. Yeah. I have a feeling the back looks crazy. If it does. Is it still defined up under here? Yeah. Ooh. Dang. Yeah, so this is about a week and 2 days old, and it's lasted me this long. I had to come back and put this in the video because what the... And I literally just got done fluffing it. I feel like it's still not as big as it can be. And why I wait till the 7th day to fluff, I don't know. I think I'll get scared that my hair is gonna be frizzy, but this is the final look, and I feel like this could last another 7 days. If you don't have Cecred by now, I don't know why we're still wasting time in this video. Run to Ulta. But if you did stay to the end of my video, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.